That's how much rain I got yesterday. Not even an eighth. A little bit shy of an eighth. But a little bit over 16th. At least it was something. Supposed to be more rain this afternoon. I'll wait and see about that. I'm not sure yet, but maybe today's the day I'll get some work done in the garden. We'll see. It's not going to be quite as hot as it was earlier this week. Might reach 90, but that's about as high as it's supposed to get. We'll see. I do need to get it done. Well, there's Mama Cat's eating in peace today. The kittens are up there eating on the beef that I gave them this morning, so she can relax eating here. So that kitten's bothering her. I didn't give them any milk yet. I'll mix some up later. Well, the rain's just about here. Came in from the west, and it's headed east. And there's a lot of heavy rain to the southwest of me, so I might be losing my internet soon. So I'm just gonna go outside and take a look what's going on. The rain's close. I'm right over there. The rain, I think the rain's going that way. Or the storm moving east. Well, it cooled down to about 84, so that's good. And it just started to rain. It comes, and there's more on the way. This is just the leading edge. Looks like the two wolves are up there, and the cows are down here. Here it comes. Getting stronger. Hey, Red. Oh, ride the bull, ride the cows. Yeah, here it is. Well, I never did water the lemongrass yesterday. I figured we had a little rain last night, yesterday. But it wasn't very much. I already dumped the rain gauge, so we're starting out fresh. See what I get out of this one. Looks like the cattle went down the hill. This rain might get something out of this rain. There's a lot more rain out to the west. I guess I'll go to the west side and see what's going on over there. There's a lot of rain coming up from the west, but there's some to the south. I don't think that's coming to me. This rain's coming from that direction. Wind's blowing too. Wind's blowing around. Look at those leaves. Ah. Yeah, blowing in all the way to here to my door. Ah. Yeah, blowing straight in from the west. I think the birds are afraid of me. They tried to come in and then they're still flying around in that rain. I think they're enjoying it. Yeah, having some fun. They're enjoying the wet weather. Yeah. We took a break up on the far line up there. Let's go check out the other side of the house. Oh boy. I'm getting wet on the porch. I think I'm going to take my sassafras in. I'm going to make some tea today. Yeah, the wind's blowing pretty hard, blowing the rain in. Still cooling down. Rain is still making it cooler. Down to 82 now. Oh, it's almost 6 p.m. Cattle are all down there now, looking for something to eat. At least they're not hot anymore. Cooled down enough. And my lemongrass is getting some rain finally. Yeah, I could have watered them last night, and I didn't really forget. I just waited for the rain. By the time I remembered after the rain, it was already dark. So I didn't get the rain last night. I didn't get much rain, and I didn't put no water on it. But it's getting some rain today, I think. At least I hope it's going to get enough. I guess I'm going to cook some ground beef today. Yeah. Before I cook tea, because I'm gonna need all my burners to make tea. I use about 3 pots. I make at least 4 gallons of tea at a time, and I put the rest in it. I put most of it in the freezer until they need it. I use 1 jug at a time, 1 gallon. Okay, let's go back in. And I lost internet, so I can't check the internet anyway. So I'll be cooking. Looks like the heavy rain went east. Oh, this is from the TV. Yeah, I'm right about there. So most of it's past. Well, it's 6:30. I got my internet back, or around there, and I'm a little in a lull right there. I got the heavy stuff went to the east. There's still some yellow stuff to the west, so I'm still going to get some more rain, I think. Yeah. While there's an empty spot there, I'm going to see if I can check the rain gauge, see what I got, if anything. Well, it cooled down to about 76, 77 degrees, about 76. At least it feels a lot better. But radar shows a little lull in the rain, a little gap. So I'm going to go out to the rain gauge. See how much I got so far. I think there's some more coming in from the west, but I think the heavy stuff missed me. They all stayed south and then went that way. It's all heavy rain out to the east. I can still hear the rain. Not much, but I think it's going to get heavier now. Let me go out and see what I got so far. Oh boy, I just missed the lightning. I better go back in. Anyway, I only got about an eighth. It's not much, but it's better than nothing. But there's some more coming. I better go in, get under cover. Boy, that is loud. Yeah, I got a little drink. Better go in before I get in trouble. There's some nice cloud hanging there. Okay, let's go in. It's starting to rain again. I kind of was expecting a little bit more rain than that from that big system that came across. But like I said, it looks like the heavy stuff stayed south and now it's over to the east. So I got what I got. There's still some more on the rain, but I don't think it's very much. Not very much. But it's supposed to rain again. What is today? Saturday? There's no more chance for tomorrow too, and tonight. Yeah, so we'll see. At least it's cooler. That's the main thing. It's cooler. Well, it's 7 p.m. now, and it's started to rain again. Well, at least it cooled off back into the 70s. That's good. That's a little bit more comfortable. It's not a hard rain though. It's nice slow rain, which is good for the soaking in. So that's what I was hoping for. Nice slow rain. Got an eighth of an inch on the first round. Let's see what I get this time. Well, I'm under the yellow. 7 p.m. so it looks like it's going to last a while, so that's good. And that looks like it looked like a slow rain outside. Yeah, I just heard another thunder. Yeah. I'll go out I'll go out when it's over and see how much rain I got in the rain gauge. Yeah. I'm hoping I get at least another ½ inch. That would be nice. 7:45 and I lost internet again. There must be some rain. Must be rain. Some rain down to the south is blocking my satellite signal. Since I'm out here, I'm going to go ahead and check the rain gauge. Yeah. Looks like the cattle are laying down over there. Let's go see how much I got. I don't know how much more rain is headed this way, but I'll see what I got so far. I only got another 16th, so it's not very much. Not as much as I thought I was going to get. Oh well, it's something. I'm not sure, but I think there might be a cattle up in there. I could be wrong. It could be a log. There's 3 of them there. There's 2 other ones somewhere. I don't see them anywhere. I'm sure they're somewhere. Looks like my weed killer spray worked pretty good. The weeds are dying. That's good to see. Good to see. I hear fireworks. Some more over that way. Here's some more. Boom. Boom. Somebody's got fireworks on tonight for the 4th of July. Yeah, there's the bull, a red bull up there on the hill. The other one's up there too somewhere, I think. Boy. Somebody's got money for fireworks this year. I'm going to go to the west side, see what's going on there. The sun's getting ready to go down soon. It's sprinkling a little bit. Just a little bit. Don't get wet, girls and boys. Yeah, I gotta cut those weeds down one of these days. It's just before 8 p.m. Sun's coming out from behind those clouds. I'm not gonna wait around for the sunset. Got another 15 minutes or so. Besides, the sun will be behind some clouds again pretty soon. Alright. I didn't do nothing again today. Waiting for the rain. I hear some fireworks to the north, but nothing close to me. Okay, I'm gonna call it a day. Maybe it'll be cooler now next week. Cooler than this past week, that's for sure.